Hey, so I need this if possible, please. I will send you a link to this file that contains all of the information you need to know. Okay, so this is the file. I will share this file with you shortly, so you should get an email soon to get access to everything in here. Okay, so this funnel has a strategy with videos of what this is about. Okay, so the thing we need, number one, is we need a sales script. Okay, a sales script for this service. So if you open this video, this will talk about what it is. So this is a business that removes Google reviews, uh, bad reviews from Google. It's got information on what the brand is about. I need a sales funnel script. So what this will look like is something like this. Okay, so we need two part to this. Okay, there is a sales script here, as you can see, like this. So I need a sales script written for this service to sell this service to other people through a sales funnel. The second thing is we also need is a video sales letter that is going to look like this. Okay, so if we go over here and we are going to make a video sales letter that looks like this. Okay, so this video looks like this. Okay, so it has capitalized. So we need to write a sales script that is going to be on a page like this. We also need a shell script that is going to be for the video as well. They can be similar shell script, or actually they should be similar shell script. If not, so they should be very close together. So this is what you need to do for this task. Okay, so watch this video and this video and this video and write a sales script for like this for to sell this service on a website. We also need that for the website as well. So yeah, let me see how it goes. This contains all the details that you need to know. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, let me go how you go. So yeah, if you can write the script, please, that would be great. Thank you.